In this video, I will guide you through the step to install CapCut on your PC. Follow along and let's get started. If CapCut isn't available in your country, download any VPN app of your choice and connect it to supported region. Open your preferred browser and type www.capcut.com. Click on the first website link that appears in the search results. On the CapCut homepage, locate the large download button and click on it. If the download doesn't start automatically, click on the click here button to manually download the setup file. Once the setup file has been downloaded, open it. The installation process will begin. This may take some time, so be patient. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it for faster download and installation speed. After the installation is complete, launch CapCut. Click on the new project button, import your media, and start editing your videos. If you're new to CapCut and don't know how to edit videos using it, don't worry. I have created a detailed video tutorial on that. Click on the I button to watch it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.